Sanibonani, igama lami uSibongile wakaNkambule. Namhlanje ngifuna ukunixoxela ngestory sami mangiba ne-mental breakdown. Ngathusa abantu emsebenzini ngalelo langa. So ilanga lami was a normal day. Ngavuka, gezisa umntwana, preparela i-lunch box, mangiceda, but bengifila ngalelo langa ukuthi angikho right. Ngageza as usual, geza, thatha i-lunch box yami, and then I went to work. Mangiyemsebenzini, it's a walking distance, makama uthanda uyagibela, so on that day ngagibela because umzimba wami ufila tired. Bengikhathele ngazi ukuthi ngikhathazwe yini. Ngafika emsebenzini, mangifika emsebenzini, thola wonke ama-staff members akhona ahleli, and then kuba nento esibambayo ekseni before siyenza anything, sibiza i-morning talk, whereby sizodiscussa about our daily budget eyayizolo, and then i-monthly budget ukuthi sihleli kuphi. So ukuthi khona into engile ngayenza laphaya. Khona into engile ngayenza. I was out of character, and then ngabona umphathi wami angibuza ukuthi usho ukuthi uzokhona ukusebenza. Because mina into engiyikhumbulayo on that day ukuthi umzimba wami weak, and then nenhloko bekungathi iyashake, yabo. Yabona umuntu nje oshakayo benginjalo because bengasadli bese nginamalanga ngadli, but ngekho aware ukuthi kahle ngiyagula. Ngiphila njengomuntu normal kanti ngiyagula. So emsebenzini sabamba leyo morning talk, ukuthi ngisoloko ngiyenza nje izinto ezibaphazamisayo. Bayabona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lona mana akekho right. Basoloko bayangibuza, are you sure ukuthi sizokhona ukusebenza nawe Sibongile? Ngithi yes, nizokhona ukusebenza nami. Maka nami ngiyazimangalela ukuthi why basoloko bangibuza ngathi ngumntana omncane, because mawuphethwe ilesifo lesi uvele nje like ube lost, ufile ngathi abantu ngathi bafuna ukuyenza umntwana or some sort. So fika isikhathi morning talk iphele, and then kuvulwe umnyango ke manje womsebenzi. Hey makuvulwa umnyango womsebenzi kulapho khona ngababukelisa imovie. Nami le movie lena angifiseli noma ubani ukuthi angadlula lapha engidlule khona. Kwangena ama-customer, mase kungena ama-customer ke manje hayi ingqondo yalahleka kwamampela ke manje. Ama-customer mawangena bekungathi bazongi-attack. Ukuthi bangi-attack-elani I don't know. Ukuthi why would umuntu afuna ukungi-attack, yini lengake ngiyenzile ukuze ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bazofuna ukungi-attack, I don't know. Mara bengifila ngaleyo ndlela leyo, sengiyakhuluma bathi bengirasa bengenzani. Bangibambile manje. Sengiphenduka ihlanya. Bangibambile, abazi ukuthi bathathe ini bayeke ini, bagcine bavala umnyango, and then they had to call umntansekhaya. Bahamba bayongihlalisa ngale stock room. Mangihlele stock room ngibhizi ne-Facebook. Mangivula i-Facebook, it was like wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngami. Remember mina ngumuntu one self confidence, ngumuntu ongapay attention kakhulu ebantwini abahlebayo and all that stuff, because we are all human beings. Mara ngalelo langa lelo ngiyakutshela benginendaba ukuthi abantu bakhuluma ngami. Mangicale ngibheka i-Facebook yami, it was like everybody was speaking about me. Kukhulunywa indaba zami lapha ku-Facebook. Cabanga, bangithi ngiyabheka yimi. Eyithombeni za ku-Facebook yimi. Yonke into bengibona nje kuyimi khulunywa ngami ku-social media. Abangani bami basoloko bathi lapha emsebenzini abantu engisebenza nabo ukuthi yekela i-Facebook yekele. Ngithi no, maka labantu laba bakhuluma ngami. Mase bangitshela labantu laba bakhuluma ngami and angazi ukuthi why, angazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni. Bekumele ngife kahle kahle on that day, the way bengibona ngakhona. They decided to call my sister. Usisi wami makafika uMangele wonke umuntu uyakhala, but yena besekazi ukuthi vele ngiyagula. Makabe angacabanga ukuthi ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So lapho bese ngibanjwe yini mental breakdown. So kulapho ke kahle kahle ukuhlanya kwami kwaqala khona emsebenzini. Umntansekhaya makafika ubathola bayakhala, uMangele ukuthi kenzakalani, ubusisi wami. Bamdirector ke ukuthi nguphi. Makafika naye kube ngathi hayi man, azini ngathi utsheliwe naye lento engiyibona ku Facebook ngathi naye umntansekhaya is part of that plan. Ukuthi leyo plan yini angiyazi, but I felt as if khona le plan enkulu ekumele yenzakale nje ngami, kumele ngi-execute ukuthi ngi-execute-lani I don't know. Mara nje beyikhona lento about me. So umntansekhaya maseka ngithatha ke ubuzukuzuku. Asinamali yokugibela, ubuzukuzuku. So la ngisebenza khona njengoba nginitshelile ukuthi it's a walking distance kahle kahle ukuya endlini. Mawudlula kumele udlule e-stadium. So i-stadium sethu sinala ma lights, yabo lama lights lawa amakhulu lawo. Yeah, i-stadium sinalawo ma lights amakhulu. So madlule e-stadium, bafethu, it was like ngathi kudlalwa i-movie ke manje, ngathi manje yonke iSouth Africa ibukele mina. Bekungathi yonke iSouth Africa ibukele mina. Ukuthi for ini, bengihamba ngiyadayikha laphaya. Ukuthi ngidayikhelani I don't know. Imoto mazima cause masidlule stadium kunestrati. Imoto mazima ini ngibone ngathi bafuna ukuza kimi. Ibhlungu le feeling engidlule kuyo. Isibhlungu lesifo. So bengifuna ukuthi nibe aware ukuthi i-depression ikhona and you must go and seek for help. Sahamba masifika endlini, bathi ngaba worse ke lapho. Base bangixoxela cause ezinye ngiyazikhumbula ezinye ngizikhumbule. Eyangihlekisa kakhulu ngoba sengidlulile kuyo, bathi ngathi kumntansekhaya uNelson Mandela noThabo Mbeki bangitshelile ukuthi eParliament bayangihleba. Cabanga like yonke into njengoba ngintshela ukuthi ku Facebook mangibheka it was like bakhuluma ngami, mangibukela iTV bakhuluma ngami, yonke into nje it was about me. Cabanga noma yini endlini iVaselina le logo lenyana yakhona bengibone ngathi icamera. So umntansekhaya uyangitshela ukuthi makangena eroomini bengumtshela ukuthi ama camera ukuthi akumelanga akhulume out loud because khona abantu abasimamele. Cabanga hayi lesifo singihlukumezile bantwana basekhaya kakhulu. And then ngalelo langa lelo bangithatha siyele sayithekila medically, sayithekila na traditionally because I believe in tradition. So ngasizakala, but angizange nje ngivele nje ngisizakale because bayele banginikeza i-date yaka June. Remember it was April mangiba ne-mental breakdown. And then e-clinic banginikeza i-date yaka June ukuthi kulapho engizokhona ukuthola i-psychologist yami. Imagine April kula engihlanya khona. UJune uyofika nini? Ngoba ngaleso sikhathi I didn't want to eat. Bengafuna ukupheka, bengafuna ukcleana, bengafuna ukuvuka kahle kahle. Mara bengiyenza ukuthi ngizama ukupheka ngiyenzeni for abantwana khona ukuthi bazodla, but mina I didn't eat. Azi kube nangibona the way bengiskinny ngakhona, niyangibona mos I'm a skinny person. Bengiwes because I wasn't eating. Ukuthi benguhanga strike for ini I don't know. And then kufike ama voice mawafika akutshela ukuthi you are useless, why don't you kill yourself? And mayikutshela lento levele na uyabona ukuthi mani kuphelile ngawe, angisho wena vele mele ukuthi uyejele, wena there is something that you have done wrong. So ibhizi idlala la engcondweni yakho. Umntansekhaya makazama ukuthi siya ekliniki ukuthi at least maybe bangiphe i-date esondele than uJune because ngisafara manje bathi they can't do like that. So bekumele ukuthi ngibe right for myself, bekumele ngibe right for the kids. Mara lesifo ngifuna ukunixoxela si affecte umndeni wami ngendlela emangalisayo and kabuhlungu. Because abantwana mababuya esikolweni bamangele yini manje ngomama umama ubona ezinye izinto ezingabonwa bengomunye umhlaba engafisi ukuthi omunye umuntu abe kuwo because bekuyimi kuphela kuloyo mhlaba. Abantu mangiphuma estradeni ngibone ngathi bakhuluma ngami mangimile la bengihlala khona bekunama satellite dish ngisho kaso kuma next door neighbors kunama satellite dish. So mangimile ngaphandle eroomini lami when I look to the side bekungathi lama satellite dish ashuta mina. Yonke into nje it was about me and mina the way ngile ngayenza into wrong akhona mile ukuthi ngijeziswe mele ukuthi ngibulawe abantu wanna kill me and everything. Mangiphumela ngaphandle ngibone ngathi abantu bayenza i-guard of honor kubukelwe mina ukuthi manje ngiyo executewa and at that time bebangisa ku traditional healer to go and seek ama answers ukuthi kahle kahle kuyenzakalani. So kahle bantwana basekhaya i-mental breakdown iyele yakhoswa ama-pasthood traumas because bengine anxiety, bengine depression, bengine stress esi-over esingasakhona ukucontroleka. So mase ngicala ngikhuluma ne-psychologist yami iyangitshela ukuthi then it's pasthood trauma because uyangibuza ukuthi kahle yini le eyenze ukuthi ufeel the way ufila ngakhona. Then ngiyamtshela nje like mina I was just telling a story about myself ukuthi my parents passed on bengisesemncane and remember that feeling masingabantu abamnyama asibheki abelungu they go for counseling you understand but thina nje hayi ushonile okay sizogcina kube njalo mina there wasn't anyone there for me ukuthi azomotivator. I had to be a motivator yabantwana basekhaya because I was the elder sister and I was only 17 and already I had kids. I was in a relationship yabo. So when time goes on empilweni yami siyahlukana nepartner yami ubaba bantwana after 14 years of being together ngiba involved with someone else. Remember I didn't heal kuleyo relationship leyo njengoba sengena in another relationship. So into eyele yatriggera i-mental breakdown ukuthi ipartner yami iyele yangichithela. So I think umuntu othanda kakhulu ukuthi yonke i-trust yami bengibekele emntwini bengithemba umuntu kakhulu than myself. So ithe mayenzakala leyo nto leyo kula khona ngaqala ngafila the way ngifila ngakhona sengasafuna ukudla inhliziyo yami seyiphampa like kakhulu each and every day bengicala ukubona inhliziyo ephampa kakhulu kabuhlungu kaso kube ngathi inhliziyo izophuma ngomlomo kube ngathi khona into engizoyiva njengoba ngisho ukuthi then April ingcondo or inhliziyo ukuthi bese ikhathele njengoba sengihlanya ke. Yeah, by the way ngisibongile ngibhala ama poems so if nifuna ukungifollowa bengajabula kahle ukuthi ningifollowe ku TikTok it's Dark Angel the Poet, ku Facebook it's Sibongile Nkambule and thank you for tuning in. Thank you.
Greetings to my wonderful friends. This is your Dark Angel the Poet. Today I just want to inspire you a little about something that I read a long time ago. A young lady was driving along with her father and then they came upon a storm. The young lady asked her father, "What should I do?" Her father replied, "Keep on driving." She kept on driving. I'm telling you, Many cars were pulling over to the side because the storm was getting worse, but her father told her, keep on driving. She kept on driving. It became worse, but after a few miles, she was again on a dry land. And then her father said, now you can get out. And the young lady was amazed. But why now, Daddy? Her father said, just look back at everyone that have gave up. They are still in the storm, but because you never gave up, your storm is now over. So today, Bantwana Basekhaya, I'm telling you, keep on pressing, keep on pushing, keep on pondering, because your storm will be over.